Tingnan mo 'to, like this one, the dragon fruit that is big, oh. Oh, tapos hintayin mo na lang siguro yan na magkaroon ng mga mutation. Parang ano rin lang, like grow a garden. So you plant, you harvest, you plant, or you can like tanggalin mo ulit, then lagay. No? So I need to remove this Sanzio that's noobs eh. Oh. Yeah, the seed shop. Wala. The water buckets lang siya, no? So ayan oh, ang ganda niya oh. The sunflower is noobs eh. So, pero kita nyo guys, no? I got like an army of dragon fruits, no? Like an army of dragon fruits. Yeah. Okay. Last 36 seconds pala before I go out, guys, no? Tingnan natin yung makachamba pa ng like a good plant, no? Nakita mo, Machu? Have you look, oh? Oh, ayan, oh. That's a big, ano, 10 times 10 lakh.